everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. Happy June. We are here in my garden and it is a beautiful day, and I thought what could make this day more beautiful than to announce an amazing new contest that we are going to be holding this month. So this month of June, we're going to be holding an amazing contest. I am super excited about it, and I think you guys will be just as excited as we are. So for the whole month of June, we're going to be holding a contest for two different things. It is going to be for these amazing tomato cages that Park Seed has in their store. They are fantastic. We just started using them this year in our garden, and I'm loving them so far. They're working fantastic. So it's going to be a pack of 3 of their tomato cages that they hold, and also amazing, a $50 shopping spree with them too. And Dale and I will do a recorded event with you and help you shop for your fall garden seeds and help you with your planning out, or if you want to get some supplies and things like that. We are more than happy to help you along with your shopping as you go and spend this gift card. So this should be a super awesome contest. I can't wait for the 1st of next month whenever I announce the winner, because this is going to be a great one. And going shopping together is going to be super fun. And we will be announcing the winner of this contest on July 1st. I will be posting a video on that day, and you'll be notified on video that you have won. So all you need to do to enter is make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel here, and then also go through this whole month and comment on any videos that we go through and we post out. I'm sure we're going to be posting a lot because we are very busy in the garden right now, all the way from fertilizing to harvesting to planting still. We're doing a lot of stuff out in the garden. So just go through and comment on any of those videos. Up to 1 entry per video, you will get entered in to win. Now, there is some fine print. I will put it all down in the description below. But long story short, you need to make sure that you do live in the Continental United States so we can ship to you. And then you also need to be 18 years old as well. But I will include all of that in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And this month also is special too, because we're not only holding this YouTube contest, we're also holding another separate Instagram contest too. So make sure that you follow us on Instagram as well, so that way you can check out that contest too, because it's going to be another fantastic contest as well. I'm looking forward to this month, and if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section, and good luck this month. Thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.